Hey everyone, are you a freelancer struggling to stay organized, manage your time or keep up with clients? Well, you are not alone. So today in this video, I am going to talk about 7 essential tools that can transform the way you work and solve these common freelancing headaches. Stick around till the very end because these tools could save you hours of stress and help you grow your freelancing business faster. So first off, if you are juggling with multiple projects, then you need this tool to keep all those projects in one place. You can use tools like Trello, Asana, Notion, Airtable and all those stuffs. These platforms allow you to create boards, set deadlines and track progress easily. You can break down tasks, assign priorities, and you see your entire workflow at a glance. No more missed deadlines or forgotten tasks. Next, as a freelancer, you should track your time while working. Whether you charge by hour or want to see where your time goes, Toggle is a must-have. Toggle is super simple to use. Start the timer when you begin a task and stop it while you're done. You will get a detailed report showing how much time you are spending on each project. Invoicing is another crucial part of freelancing, and tools like Web, QuickBooks, Canva make it easy. These platforms let you create professional invoices, track payments, and manage your finances in one place. File management is too much essential, especially when working with large video files like I do. Google Drive and Dropbox are my go-to tools for storing and sharing files. These platforms allow you to access your files from anywhere. Share with your clients in just a few clicks. Communication is key in freelancing. Please stay away from your personal WhatsApp for professional work. Tools like Slack, Zoom make it seamless. Slack keeps your messages, files, calls in one place, while Zoom is perfect for face-to-face meeting with clients, no matter which country they are in. Even if you are not a designer, Canva is a tool for creating eye-catching graphics and presentation. Also using Canva, you can create your invoices like already I mentioned before. It's very easy to use and offer thousands of templates with obviously free of cost. So you can create professional visuals without any design skills. Also making case studies, presentation to show your client while Zoom meeting. Last, contracts. HelloSign, DocuSign make it easy to create and send and sign contracts online. These tools ensure your agreement are legally binding so you can focus on your work. Okay, these are the tools that can help you save time and stay organized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more these kinds of videos, more freelancing related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.